Hi, welcome Azi here. In this video, I'm mainly showing you interactive web cards. It's something like this, as you can see. Or even we can also make something like this. As you can see, when I'm just going to hover this product, it's coming up this add to cart button. So if you check out like this project file, then you just need to come here, this 11 number, and then you will get to see two files. So let's first of all see the easy one. So this is super easy. So first of all, let's select both of them and simply click on this and create a component set, and just click on this arrow to see this. And it's have a add to cart 13, add to cart 12. That's kind of weird, you know, like to understand. People don't understand what's mainly for hover and what's normal. So this is something for the normal. So when you're going to change the name, make sure that you don't change this property one. You're just going to change the name outside. I mean this and here, like after equal. So let's see something we could say normal. And then I like to say it's mainly for the after hover, right? So hover, this is smelly. So now this is component 2. We can also change it, but I'm not doing it. And let's click on here again, this box, I mean this normal one, go to prototype and simply link it to the next one. Simply just click on this box and just link to the next one. And now it's have a click, so make it while hovering. That's it, nothing else. But also make sure that it's not a smart animation. It's need to be instant. Okay. All right. So now let's take another frame to see the preview. So I'm going to take the frame. Also, let's change the color. And now let's click on here this component, simply drag and drop here this 2 and click on this desktop and see the preview. Okay, so now I'm just going to hover it. As you can see, I get to see the button instantly. So this is the thing. I hope you understand about it. And now let's move to the next one. And next one gonna be also super duper easy. Let me show you. So I go to this design, and now let's say we just need to take here any of this. I mean, we just need to take care of these for one. Let's say this one that I have an image. So okay, so if you just see here that if I just uncheck here this clip content, then you get to see it's also have another box inside of it. It's called hover, and this is the frame, and that I do click content. That's why we are not going to see the hover file. So the thing here, like this is its bottom. That means when you're just going to hover it, it's coming from bottom to top. But if you like to go on the top, then this will become top to bottom. If you're just going to keep it left, then it will become left to right, or let's say whenever you want. So it's mainly work like this way. Okay, so if you don't understand, let me show you the proof so that you understand more better. So first of all, let me make it clip content. Then as you can see, we are only going to see the clip file. I mean, as you can see, this is mainly, I mean, clip content work on the height and width. So this is the height and width, and this is only we can see all content inside of this height and width. Now I'm just going to change the name. Let's say I'm typing it to 1, and now I'm just going to make alter on a different file or the different name. Now press enter and click on this hover file and make here the center. Also you can make it center like this way, then it will become in the center. Now select it again, select it and click on here this component set, make a component set. Now click on this file, go to prototype and simply link it. So simply link it, and it's something while hovering, and we get this file. And now let's click on again here the component, drag and drop here this file, see the preview. As you can see, when I'm just gonna hover it, it's coming instantly. So we need to change it, right? We need to change this timing. So let's go here and then file, click on this middle of this line, and as you can see, it's now selected instant. So make sure that it's smart animation. And if you like to change the duration, let's say time, it's coming up, then you can simply change it from here. And let's come back, and as you can see, it's now coming from the bottom. But what happened if I just need to, you know, like do something like this, just like up a little bit? And as you can see, it's something like this, and I'm just gonna hover, it's coming up this way. And if you like to make it, let's say left to right, I already tell you. So let's go to the design, and as you can see, I'm selected here this hover file, go left, all as a center, and let's say now press shift and your keyboard left side. So I'm just going to press this. I was holding on it, you know, so I'm running like this way. And now if I go to the file, as you can see, this is working in this way. So I believe that you understand mainly how it's mainly work. And let's say you like to make the multiple version of it, then how we can do it. So simply I'm just going to duplicate it, and I'm just going to detach it. So this is, let's say, our version 2 that I want. Or let's say this is version 2, so this is version 2. I'm just going to make it another one. This is mainly for version 4, and this is something going to be version 4. So let's say version 4. So let's say right now it's mainly coming from this side. So I'm just going to make it, let's say, top. So I'm just going to make it, let's say, top, or let's say this one, and the next one, I mean, I'm talking about this one, enter. And then I like to make it from the bottom. So as you can see, now it will be work from the bottom. Now if I do the prototype, then it will become to top to bottom. This will become to bottom to top. So this will work in this way if you do the prototype. So yeah, you can do the practice by yourself and just let me know if you got any kind of issue in here.